Hi there everybody, welcome to another video. And today I just have a quick video. I have this Mercedes C-Class 2009 w204 and my battery is a little bit dead, so it's got about 10 volts, and although it's unlocked the car, I can't get it started, so I need to jump start it. And I just wanted to show you the location of the points for jump starting this car. So I got a jump starter and I've connected my positive to here, so you can see at the moment my jump starter is off, so I've got no issues putting that anywhere, but if it was on, you have to be careful obviously. So this here is where the positive terminal is. You slide that open and connect your positive cable there. If you were jumping from another car, that would be the same thing. So you connect your positive here and then to the positive of the battery, and then I have my negative, which is connected to that point there. So these 2 points are giving me the voltage that I have here. Now I'm gonna switch this on, and now it's powering to 12 volts, so now I can start the car. So now I got the car going, and that's pretty much it really. I think the manual actually, well, the manual recommends if you were jump starting the car from another car, they ask you to connect the negative side first and then the positive, so that kind of sequence. But yeah, anyway, just always be careful obviously not to mix the terminals. I think that's most important, so don't put the positive to the negative and that kind of thing. Just pay attention to that. And that's it. So hope the video helps, and don't forget to like, follow, subscribe. We'll see you all in the next video. Thank you for watching.